What happens when innovation takes flight from the heart of Missouri? At the University of Central Missouri, we don't just teach aviation, we live it. As the only university in Missouri that owns its own airport and certified FAA repair station, UCM's programs are built for students who are ready to redefine what's possible.
We started in 1968. We've been doing this for quite some time. Everything that we do is completely focused on the student. Having our own airport helps students because it gives them the opportunity to really complete training at a facility that's focused on them. The repair station is only fixing, certifying, and focusing on our Cessna aircraft that our students fly. And we also have a wonderful leadership team from the top down that really supports the growth of aviation at UCM.
We have a Part 145 repair station. The FAA certified repair station allows us more FAA oversight. So the FAA comes down for inspections. It gives us a higher quality of maintenance, and it opens an avenue for students to be more involved in the maintenance processes.
What makes UCM exceptional is the fact that we own our own airport. It's close, so going to classes on Monday morning, you may still end up flying that same day and then turn around and end up going back to a class later that day on campus.
We know Cessnas. Our fleet is almost entirely made up of 172s. With FAA certified engine mechanics and a maintenance team trained to the highest standards, we keep our aircraft and you airborne and ahead of the curve.
The students have access to the hangar at any time, so they come down all the time with questions. Being there in the process gives them a big benefit in their learning.
We blend real-world and experiences with advanced VR flight simulation, giving you a head start before the wheels even leave the ground.
VR is new. It's an exciting improvement for our program. The amount of time that it usually takes a student to get their licenses is decreased because of the VR lab. It's cheaper for the students as well. The VR labs do improve the safety for student pilots, especially first-timers. You get to practice crosswind landings, which is the most critical parts of the landing if you're at a quarter-wing crosswind. It definitely gets the student that experience before getting in the actual airplane.
I think that the simulators have really helped with condensing training and making training faster, because on bad weather days or on days where maybe you're just not really feeling great to fly, you can still get training out of a simulator.
With the resources to soar and the support to guide you, we're redefining what's possible in aviation education.
The people here inspired me so much, more than any other school I visited, so I just had to come here. I know all of my professors' names, and they know my name. Community is a big part of it, and I think we're one big family.
What I enjoy is you have the ability to have this community and these people that are there. That's something that I didn't get from another flight school. All the instructors are always available, and because of those people that are able to help, it's not just a flight school, it really feels like a family.
It's really important when you have professors who were already in the field. So a lot of the professors have been management of airports, have been professional pilots, corporate pilots. So it's really important getting to be able to talk to them to kind of get, a little bit of an idea of what's on the other side.
You're not just a number here at UCM, you're a person to us, and we take pride in being able to build the relationships with the students that we're teaching.
They get so excited when they see their students do their first solos. They want you to be ready. They want to see you succeed.
At UCM, you are never just a number. You're part of the flight plan.